In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to a whimsical mind map. Adding visuals to a mind map is a great way to make your ideas clearer and more memorable. Whether you're documenting a process, building a study outline, or pitching a concept, images help anchor information and guide attention. I'll walk you through the exact clicks to get an image onto your canvas, and I'll share a few simple tips so it looks clean and purposeful once it's there. Start by heading to whimsical.com in your browser. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and sign in so your work saves automatically. Then, open the mind map you want to enhance. It can be something you've already created or a fresh canvas. The steps to insert an image are the same either way. With your mind map open, look for the plus icon that opens all tools. Depending on your layout, this icon typically appears in the toolbar. Clicking it expands a panel with additional options beyond the standard mind map nodes and connectors. Think of this as your gateway to richer content, things like images that add context beyond text. From the All Tools panel, click Image. This tells Whimsical you're about to bring a picture into the map and it will open your computer's file picker. At this point, you can navigate to the folder where your image is stored. Common formats like PNG and JPG work well. As you choose, aim for images that are relevant, clear, and not excessively large so they look crisp without slowing things down. Select your image and click Open. Whimsical will upload it and place it onto your canvas, usually near your cursor. You can now position the image close to the branch or node it supports, so the relationship is obvious at a glance. If the image feels too dominant or too small, use the corner handles to resize proportionally. A quick tip: align the visual with the flow of your branches and keep consistent sizing across similar images to maintain a tidy, readable layout. If you change your mind, you can select the image and remove it, then repeat the same steps to add a better fit. That's all there is to it. Go to whimsical.com, open all tools with the plus icon, choose image, then select your file and click Open. With just those clicks, your mind map becomes more visual, more engaging, and easier to understand. Take a moment to place and size the image thoughtfully, and your ideas will stand out with minimal effort. Whimsical saves automatically so you can keep building without worrying about losing your changes.